What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy back over here now on the BMW. So what we gotta do today is, I got the new fuel pump, everything in the house, the cylinder unit, everything I need. I got this new. I'll show you in a minute. I got this right here new. So this is the fuel pump, this the cylinder unit. This one went bad on the car. I'm gonna put that over there. Put all this stuff over here. The wires. Basically what I gotta do today is this. I'm gonna show y'all real quick what I'm talking about. You can see inside that tank, I gotta get all that dirt out. All the dirt gotta come out. So what we're gonna do right now, let me show you if I can extend this for y'all so y'all can see what I'm doing today. I should have rolled down the window or something a little warm. A little crazy bugs around here, so I'm gonna try to raise this up so y'all can see what I'm doing here. All right. So what we gotta do is try to pump that out of there. All right, so let's see if we get down a little more. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, all right. So we gotta try to pump stuff out of here. So what I did was, I went and purchased a pump. Screws over here. So I went and purchased a pump like this. So I'm gonna have to stick this in here. So once that in there, it should come out.
We're gonna use this right here to pump it in to get the gas out. You see? See it's coming out. Put that a little more. I should have gloves on, seriously. But I brought gloves with me, but it don't smell that bad though, because the gas been in here for a very long time. Gas been sitting up in this car for about 11 years. So what we're gonna have to try to do, at least put some gloves on at least. I gotta try to get most of that gas out of there and then get the junk out of there, because there's junk in there too. So that's what we gotta do today. See if this light works so y'all can see what I'm doing also. There you go. Throw a little light on. Alright, so let me put my foot here. We can try to get some of that out of there, because I gotta dig my hand in too. There's a lot of garbage in there. Definitely try to at least get the cylinder unit in today. See, it's right here, it's coming out, so I gotta be careful too. I don't want to spill it all over the place, so we're gonna put some tissue here. I'm gonna put some there. Let me grab this real quick. Alright, so we doing today, we gotta change our fuel pump. And I had to wait. The reason why I paused on the car, because I had to
come. This right here is the cylinder unit for the fuel pump. Now, I don't know if this is the reason why, but look at the fuel pump. See all the wires? See everything broke? See all that corrosion right there? This was going on with the fuel pump. So, and look at that. Look at the arm all rusty. So, this garbage. I'll show you the new one in a minute, but let me try to get most of this trash out, you know. Let's try to see if we can get some of this out. Look how black that gas is. See how dark it is? It's all garbage.
The plus I'm changing the fuel pump. I got a fuel filter I'm changing also, so you gotta be careful. I don't wanna put some tissue around it because it's starting to squirt now. I don't want it splashing all over the place. Oh shit. Then they got my eye. The eye reflex. The eye reflex. I definitely need to have some goggles on doing this. They ain't get me though, but you gotta protect yourself. Go slow. See how dirty that gas is, right? That gas is dirty. I like my eye again. I know it ain't getting my eye, but it's feeling a little crazy right now. Alright. You just gotta take our time, that's all. We gotta pump it out of there. So much we got in there. It's really ain't that. Oh, the tube came out. That tube back up in here. Still got more to go. There you go. I'll give you this. Put it in. There you go. May not be able to get everything, but I can definitely flush some of this out of here. See how much is in there. We got more. It's at the bottom now. I don't know how much gas in here, but this thing was dirty there, though. And so I get the junk at the bottom, but we got enough in here. Shit. We damn got a gallon in here. Alright, get this. Damn, got a gallon. I ain't got another. I should have another gas can somewhere. Thought I had a big one somewhere. Alright, ain't got that more to go. Just starting to watch, if you just came to my channel, I'm restoring a 530i Sport that been sitting for the last 11 years in the garage. The car won't start. Basically, when I went to go take out the fuel pump, this is the fuel pump and just the sender unit. This is done. So we got all this new. I had to wait a couple weeks to get the sender unit. It took a minute, but it's here now. I think it's flowing back in from the tank, I guess. Alright, so we gotta do too. Take some of this trash out of here that broke. Like this piece here, this broke in there. That broke off in there somewhere. You know, I don't know how much is in there really. But I don't really see that much. But we got a gallon in here. A gallon of garbage gas. I gotta see too where you put the dump gas at. But let's keep going. The rest, it'll come out the fuel filter. What I can't get here, I get from the fuel filter. Where that piece at? There's a piece down here. This right here was supposed to went to your strainer for the fuel pump. That's gone. I don't know where the strainer at. I don't know, it's in here somewhere. I gotta look. But pretty much sure it's in there. Somewhere. Or just straight disintegrated and it's gone. A lot of junk in there. Stinks though. Definitely stinks in there. Make sure whatever you're doing is ventilated so you can breathe. Now let it build up again. I guess ain't that more. Ain't that much in there. It's gonna come back a little bit. Let it strain back. I don't really see that much in the tank though. That's what I'm looking at. I don't see that much in there though. I'll let it fill up a little bit, see how much is left. And meanwhile, I'll be right back. I gotta go grab the fuel pump. Show you what I'm talking about. YouTube, I'm back. This is the new sender unit. Right here. I'll show you the difference real quick before I take that. Let's go have a seat. Let me see how much more is in here though. Before I go have a seat and put that together. Alright, so what we're gonna do. But I pretty much had to take all this out. Alright, so we're gonna try to pump more. This thing right here is somewhat full. Not to the capacity though, but it's full. So we're gonna try to get more in there. So I don't know if y'all can see. Ain't got that much in there left, so we gotta get the little bit that's in there. Alright, so just bear with me. And I'll show y'all how to change a fuel pump on a 530i Sport. You know, somebody might call it E something. I don't know. They got different numbers in Germany. I don't even know. Like E63 or something like that. And I got some goggles too. Well, I got some goggles. Put these on. Got some goggles, homers. That eye, Jamie. Don't need that. So if you're gonna do this, make sure you're in a ventilation area, so. You wanna get everything in here. Like I said, I might not get everything. But we'll put gas in here with some gas treatment, so I might don't get everything. We don't get enough. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, we got a little bit left. Well, if you don't get it, wipe down in and try to get some of that dirt up. Get plastic bags. Alright. We got some of it. More than what I need, you know. Trying to little critics. Yeah, we got some in the corner there. Alright, we got that in that corner. Trying to find the other corners. What I can get, maybe in here. So I don't want to play around because I don't want to drop that stem in there. But I'll get most out of here. But I can get. Okay, ain't gonna get everything, but I can get some of it. Which one is this? Oh, that's pieces of the what's in there. Alright, see if we get some of that stuff. There's pieces of this sending unit. Little pieces of it. So see? It's all broken up, little pieces in there. That's pretty much the mesh, the net to it. Yeah, pretty much the net. I don't know if I can suck it up though. They're gonna maybe suck some of it up. Yeah, I see some of it in there. It's like in bits though. It's in pieces. Not a whole lot left in here, but I have to get down there and at least try to clean some of that. Wipe it up and everything. Everything here for now. It's gonna be all over the place. Stick that in there. Try to clean as much as I can. That'll be if I can do it. Try to clean as much of this gas as I can. There ain't no junk anyway. Junk. All junk. Tomorrow I might go chill the raid, go to Ray's. Might go to the kitchen with them. A little recording, you know. Try to learn the secret recipe on how to make a gyro. Damn it, boy. Alright. We got most of it. See all that stuff on there? We got most of it. We got some of it out of here. I know I'm not gonna get everything out of here, but I'm gonna get some. Not everything, but I'm gonna get some. Some of the garbage. That's it. It's always the garbage. We're gonna leave it in here for a little bit. Let that absorb all of that. That's all I really want to get out. Most of it is going to come through the fuel filter. Most going to come through the fuel filter, so hopefully it'll all come out because the car's fake is going downhill, so hopefully you can get some of it out of there. We're going to let that sit for a little while, try to get some of that. See, the gas ain't even on my hand, it's like evaporating. Don't even smell like gas, it smells terrible though. It don't smell like it. Let me try to get a little bit of the suction there. See if I can get in here. Can I get that in there? I can, a little bit. Get some over there. Face. Let me get some of it. I can't get all of it. Let me get some. A lot more coming. A lot more coming. I want it all go in there. Once I release that, it's gonna go in. There we go. Go in there. Now why? Because it's full, that's why. Yeah, it's full. Yeah, it's full. Yeah. Stem right there. You better get anything, but this thing's probably full. Got enough out. Let's see if I have another one of these though. I need a big one. Let's see where I put it.
But that's pretty much about it. We got enough that we can get out of there. We're going to leave that in there so that I can absorb the garbage in there. And we're going to go ahead and stop this video. No. We'll go ahead and pause it so I can put that center unit together. That's what we're going to do. All right, bear with me.